Okay, so when you get on a sales call with your prospect, let's talk about what you shouldn't do. Don't spend too much time talking, and for God's sake, don't ask your prospect what they struggle with. Getting them to talk about their struggle gets them to a place of energetic contraction and a place of feeling stuck. And when they feel stuck, their body will produce chemicals like cortisol and adrenaline that will keep them in a self-perpetuating cycle of being stuck. And when they're stuck, they will be stuck in inaction and will not be able to make a decision to move forward. So instead, here is what you do. Ask them about their goals and ask them how their goals will change their life. And when they are tapped into their desires, their body will produce endorphins and dopamine, the hormone responsible for joy and excitement. They start seeing what is possible for them, and the likelihood for them to say yes to you goes up by 100%. If you want to learn how to have sales conversations that lights you up as well as bring joy to your clients, sign up to my Align Sales workshop, because this workshop will completely change your coaching business.